Hey everyone. So yesterday I did a live session and I got some very good response and people wanted the live sessions to be often. So as soon as I got some spare time I just thought I'll plug into the live and see if I can help few more people today. On the weekdays it gets really tough to do live sessions, so I'll try to do a lot of live sessions as often as possible in the weekends. Maybe one or twice also a day if possible, if I get some time. So Arun from Madurai says hi, how are you? Hi brother. Farazek says hello. Dot Sandy says hello, hi. So today being Sunday and being the evening, I got my daughter joining in for the live. I hope she answers some questions. Yeah. Hi Mike. So let's target today's Q&A mostly towards diet like yesterday. So Rodi Mad asks me, gee, how to reduce bumps? Usually the Indian people, we put on fat around the midsection. Just because we have a lot of heat around and to maintain the thermostat of the body, we put on fat in the midsection. And some people who have more estrogen content in their body put on some fat in their bum as well. So the best way to reduce is to try to lift heavy to increase your testosterone levels, so that you maintain a ratio and reduce the probability of you putting on fat in your bum. And the second thing is, watch out your diet, keep carbohydrates only around active hours and do a lot of cardio to burn the fat, and I'm sure you will be losing some fat in the bum. So Rodeo Mad again says hello brother. I got a hi from Mike Tour 87 and a lot of people whom I meet are complaining about lower back pain. On the lower back pain is basically, guys, let's understand the anatomy very simply, okay? I'm just getting on random topics, so that, I can help you out in random areas. First and foremost problem for your lower back pain would be instability or lack of strength in your lower back. The second thing would be, the main thing that I suggest to a lot of people is, people try to eat a lot of food and get a tummy. When you have a tummy, it pulls the spine out of its angle. That's the second culprit. Third culprit, your exercise form. Whatever may be the cause of your lower back pain, there are two remedies for it. Number one, your lower back is tied to your hamstrings underneath your glute. So stretching your hamstrings and glutes after every day's workout is gonna help you a part in reducing the pain. And the second part of it would be getting a strong core muscles. Try to develop good core muscles with your planks, reverse planks, mountain climbers and some ab workouts. Rodeo Mad asks me home workout to reduce bumps. Bro, do your cardio. I suggested, doing an exercise for your ass is not gonna reduce your ass. It's fat and your body follows a pattern. So you need to get rid of your fat to see it. Brown Kid, heavy squatting gives me hemorrhoids. Any suggestion? Brother, I recommend you to check with a doctor, get a blood work done and analyze it. It's something that you would have to take professional help to understand if it is something serious or not. R. Vijay Ravi, hello. What are your thoughts on protein intake for vegetarians? Currently most of my protein comes from supplements. Is that okay, or should I switch to more natural sources? See brother, vegetarian, let me be very honest and truthful to you, vegetarian sources except milk are all incomplete proteins. A lot of people claim soy is good, this plant is good, that plant is good. They do have protein, but let's understand they are not rich in all the amino acids. there is some form of gap in the protein that is there. So I recommend, like consuming 2 to 3 shakes a day, and consume some protein sources like, let's say, soy or double beans or rajma or some kind of dal, and try to supplement each of those meal which does not have milk or milk related product with some amount of BCAAs. That will try to bridge the gap and keep you constantly anabolic. Manoj says, hi brother. Hardik says, after losing weight, there is some fat left in the belly. How to reduce lower ab fat? Stick to your diet. Lower abs is the last place from where you will lose your fat. My daughter is offering me lollipop. So, I would recommend continue on your diet and try to work out hard, and you should be good. Anjana? Yes. Achu Lalita. Sir, can I take fitness powder because I am very slim? So which powder brought? Achu, I don't know what exactly your problem is. I would recommend a plain whey protein powder. I don't know anything called as a fitness powder. So I would recommend a plain whey protein powder, preferably from Maxin, and consume it once after your strenuous active hours and the other one after your workout. It should help you big time. Malik Arjun asks me, bro, creatine is good than whey. Whey, let's understand this, guys. For a house, you need your bricks and cement, and then comes your, the paints and the woodwork and stuff. Your protein, your whey is like your bricks and cement, and your creatine is like your paint. So let's keep that simple. Whey first, then comes your creatine. Dinesh Insta Live says, keep it up, bro. Hardik says, thank you very much, you're welcome. Achu says, thank you, you're welcome. Shrey, hi Shreya. Hi Shreya, how are you? So I tried squats for the first time in my life and my legs hurt a lot. It's been 2 days. I have been doing stretches and cardio, some exercises, but my pain hasn't improved. Is that normal? If your pain continues for more than a day, I would recommend one more day of squats with light weights to push some blood into it for faster recovery. And if your protein consumption is also not enough, your pain stays longer. So I recommend you to increase your protein intake. I hope you're non-vegetarian, maybe some chicken and eggs, and do one more session of squats and you should be good. Salu says, doing cardio then workout is good or vice versa? Kindly suggest. Doing cardio and then workout is good. See, let's understand, cardio is for you to burn your fat, or let's say burn your calories, and your weight training is to lift heavy. Whenever you go to the gym to lift, I recommend you to lift big to build muscle. So I would recommend use all the energy for your weight training and then go for your cardio for the low intense activity, so that you reap the benefits of both the worlds. Deepan Pillai asks me, calves, legs shows improvements in quads and hams, but the calves still lagging even after loads of calf raises. Any other suggestion? Deepan, I would say, train your calves every day, 3 to 4 sets, and stretch them nicely after your workouts. Calves are a kind of muscle that needs a lot of work. Let's just see, our ancestors used to walk 40 miles a day in search of food and shelter. That was a day in and day out activity. So the calves can take a lot more than what you can think. So try to pump them on a regular basis to stretch the fascia, and do heavy workout once a week, and I'm sure it will take your calves to good growth. Rajiv says, thanks, you're welcome, brother. Dheeraj says, sir, hello, sir, what kind of diet to follow to lose lower abs? Low carb diet and plenty of cardio and 4 to 5 times weight training a week. Mallikarjun says, and can you suggest me good foods? I have to reduce fat. I have a YouTube channel where the link is on my profile. Go check it out for all the eat your food sections. You will find a lot of diet suggestions, Malik. I have plenty of them there. Do check out. Shreya says, thank you, I'm doing good too. Your channel is amazing. We'll keep following you and asking you more doubts. I'll be answering you with pleasure, Shreya. And nice to connect to you here after the flood days. PK2, hello sir, can you please tell me what's the use of pre-workout? See, pre-workout, a lot of people prefer having only pre-workout supplements. No, see, pre-workout is something that puts you on a good mood and good energy level for your workout. It could be as simple as a cup of oats, few egg whites and a cup of coffee. And if you are someone who needs more stimulant, I would suggest you to go for some pre-workouts. And in Maxen, we are trying gel form of pre-workout, which keeps your energy high for the next 5 hours, which could be used not only by bodybuilders but even by athletes who go for long distance running and cycling, etc. Once it's out, I'll be putting it on my story. You can try it out. The HK official says athletes are daily go to gym. It's good or bad? Everyday gym is good, undoubtedly. And people who talk about overtraining are just filling your mind with the laziness. If you put in more time on something, guys, you will reap more benefits. As simple as that. In my opinion, there is nothing called as overtraining. There could be only 2 things that can affect you: undereating and undersleeping. So keep your diet and rest proper and you can work like an animal. Rodeo Mad, thank you Anna, you're welcome brother. Harish Hakun 1995, hey, hi. Deepan Pillai, thanks a lot. Shall take the advice on stretching the calves as well. Sure brother. Dheeraj says thank you, you're welcome. Optimus Praveen, how gain muscles? Eat a lot of protein, lift heavy and you will gain muscles. Optimus. Harish Hakon says hi again, hi brother. Dinesh Insta Life, I am out of gym due to lower back pain. I am about to go for physio. Can I start workout coming with that or after all sessions? Your physio should be able to suggest you the best plan of action, brother. I recommend you to meet a good sports physio so that they help you recover, rehabilitate and make you lift heavy. I see a lot of people going to physios who will say stop lifting weights. If stopping the weight training is your goal, you need not go to a physio. You can just stop and get cured. If a physio says stop lifting, stop your sports, I'm sure guys, they are not responsible enough and they don't value your sport. Change the physio or the doctor. Sorry for being rude, but that's the reality. PK says thank you, you're welcome brother. Varushri Hari, hi. Ash says hi, Varushri says hi. Malik Arjun, sir, how to gain muscle mass? One last question, sir. Lift heavy, eat plenty of protein throughout the day and I'm sure you will be gaining. Varushri Hari says, how are you? I'm awesome. Don't use protein, please. Thanks for the advice. I'm not going to listen and none of my athletes too. Sorry for that, brother. And can you give me some scientific backing on why you shouldn't use protein? If you have the real data, real statistics and real scientific proof, please advise me on that or else don't waste our time. How to gain muscle fast, Anna? There is nothing called as fast gain, brother. Bodybuilding and muscle gain is all about consistency and doing the same thing day in and day out, okay? So if you are ready to give that commitment and stick on to your commitment, you will see gains. It's gonna take time, be patient and you will love it. Ajit Kumar says, sir, how to participate in competition? Who will guide us where the competitions are going on? Ajit, follow me on Instagram. If at all there are competitions coming up, I'll be posting on which competitions are coming when, which are related to my association, of course. And when you need guidance, I can help you out, brother. Please don't worry. Vardani, sir, soya beans increases estrogen. Is good or bad? See, let's understand the reality between the soya beans and the estrogen. Yes, scientifically it does increase estrogen, and for you to see the estrogen related side effects, you will have to consume like 5 to 10 kgs of soya beans every day, and you are consuming somewhere between 100 and 200 grams of it. So I would not bother about it if you are choosing a vegetarian source. Just go for it, brother. Don't worry too much. Kamal Ilango says, hi Bigly bro, you are my real inspiration. I'm so thankful to God that I'm able to inspire you guys, man. Dinesh Insta Live, sure, thank you, got it. You're welcome, brother. Harish Gasol says, how are you, sir? I'm awesome. Guys, if I'm reading out your names a little weird or wrong, please, I'm sorry for that. No, like I'm trying to answer everyone and I'm reading in a hurry and I'm keeping the phone a little far away so that you can see me clearly. So if I'm reading out your names wrong, I'm very, very sorry for that. Optimus says, thanks, you're welcome. Mukesh says, hello bro, hi Mukesh. The Heartbreak Kid 2.0 says, bro, how long did it take for you to reach this amount of mass? I've been lifting since I was 15 years old and I'm 32, you can do the math. How does BCAA help? Salu asks a question. See, your protein has 8 essential amino acids, out of which the branch chain amino acids have specific function. Like the leucine is called as the protein switch, which helps your body to generate its own protein. Isoleucine and valine are something that prevents catabolism in your body. So these three form the major portion of your essential amino acids, which helps your body to create its own protein and prevent the cell damage. So that's why, like we always recommend branch chain amino acids around the workout. The reason why whey protein is so famous is because it's very rich in BCAAs. So if you are getting your BCAAs right, you can maintain a good muscle mass and probably put on good amount of muscles if you are supplementing yourself with good quality protein from egg, chicken, beef, fish and whey. Ajit Kumar says, thank you, you're welcome, brother. Sumohit Shetty says, bedtime meal before going to sleep to maintain muscles. I would recommend a slow digesting protein. Like a lot of people give a hype for casein, but like if you're not getting casein in the form of Miscela casein, it's really not worth it. I wouldn't trouble my stomach with the calcium caseinate. So the simple way I figured out was to reduce the speed of absorption of your protein by adding on some fat. So let's say you're having whey protein in your hand. I would put in 2 scoops of whey protein and maybe throw in a spoon of peanut butter or have a few fish oil capsules along with it, or even like throw in a spoon of coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil. Like a lot of people give a bad rap to the coconut oil. Coconut oil is bad when it's heated, and its natural pure cold processed form, your coconut oil can be one of the best fat ally. It's called as the medium chain triglycerides, which can actually generate energy in your body rather than getting stored. So like if you're having access to cold processed coconut oil, I might add a spoon of it every day to my bedtime meal. Or if you're finding it tough, we have like MCT oils produced by Maxim. Go check it out, guys. Harish says, no problem, you're welcome. Sashidharan says, hi beast, thanks for the comment. Thank you for the reply, says Vardani, you're welcome, brother. B Rabbit says, how to change my metabolism fast? Spend a lot of time in quality eating and do a lot of workouts, and your metabolism will change automatically. Like human beings are creatures of adaptation. You adapt much faster than you realize. So follow a habit and you change according to the habit, may it be good or bad. So if you work out regularly and eat sensibly, automatically you adapt to being a much fitter, much healthier person with a better metabolism. Will you promote steroids? I'm no doctor to prescribe steroids, and like But let me be honest, I don't condemn the use of it in the right hands. All I would say is don't get carried away by your gym brother using it and poke it into your ass. I would say be sensible, understand about it. If you are ready to face the heat that it's gonna give, go take that stride, because once you get onto the steroid wagon, there is no turning back, brothers. So don't just choose to poke in some oil into your ass just because your gym coach says it's gonna give you results in short period, or your gym bro uses it, or you read it on the internet. Be sensible, be wise. It's an ethical decision that you have to take care of, which is gonna poke you back for the rest of your life. So the decision is yours. I'm no one to promote, I'm no one to advise. Optimus asks me the next question. Anna, last one question. I am taking Russian bead protein, whether it's good for bodybuilding. I don't know what is bead protein. I think so he's talking about the beef protein. So yes, beef protein is good if the quality is good. Guys, I think so my Instagram is stuck. I'm not able to scroll down the questions up and down. So I might have to disconnect and reconnect. I'm really very sorry. The screen does not seem to move. So if there are questions that I haven't answered, I'll try to answer them via messages, and if I'm able to connect immediately, I'll connect back. I extremely apologize for the technical issue, guys. I don't know, my phone never used to hang, and today is the day where it chose to hang. So till I connect next time, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll try to connect immediately if my phone gives me a helping hand. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. And I know I haven't answered few questions, but I'm not able to scroll down, brothers. Sorry for that. Yep, I think so. I'm able to scroll down now. I did a restart of the things. I hope you guys are still there. Okay, yeah, here are the questions. Salu says, thank you. Jim KK, Jim, oh, guys, please, if possible, please type your questions in English, because reading Tamil or Hindi becomes a pain when it's written in English. So what Vijay asks is there any link between your manhood and gym? Obviously yes. Testosterone is the hormone that makes you strong and makes you lift. The reason why men are stronger than women physically is because of the existence of the hormone testosterone. So yes, there is a lot of link. And for those of you guys who don't know who I have at home, here, this guy is called Laddu. She was named by my daughter, and here is my aquarium where I've got few fishes. So back to the question and answers. My name is Kumar. Sasi Kumar says, happy to see you, sir. Yeah, pleasure is mine, brother. Guna says, good evening. Ash says, hi. Sumoit says, thank you, sir. Almonds can be consumed in bedtime meal with whey instead of coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil is one option I gave you. Any good fat source can be combined with your protein to reduce the speed of absorption and get sustained release of your protein, brother. Super Stupid says, happy to see you, bro. I'm happy as well, brother. Ash says, sir, I have a doubt. I have a lot of veins popping up in my biceps and shoulder. Is that good? We all love veins popping out, brother. Be happy that you have some. Sir, okay, guys. So Vardani asks, does masturbation affect bodybuilding? Anything in excess affects everything in your life, brother. Whatever it is, if it is in the right control, you're good. Gunajai, how many routine a muscle can be trained per week? Ideally, once in every 4 or 5 days should be good, brother. Santosh 94, how to increase our upper pecs, bro? Go on inclined bench presses with a pause at the bottom. Let's say, like you lift the weight and then bring it back to chest and hold it at the chest level for a second and then press back. That will recruit your upper pecs nicely and you will get a good upper pec. Guna Joy says, and how long the muscle need to get recovered for the next session? 48 to 72 hours is what science says, but if you are eating enough, you may actually recover faster. Sriram says, hi. Vicky says, Master, I am volleyball player. What kind of workout can I do? Try to lift weights thrice a week and do plyometric drills thrice a week, brother. It should help you in your volleyball performance as well as strength. Abhishek, sir, can you suggest good mass gaining supplement? In Maxon, we have two things, brother. One is massive mass, which is for extremely lean people who find it tough to put on weight. And the other one is the lean mass, which is kind of a competitive meal replacement powder, which is a combination of protein, carbs and essential fats. Ajit wants to know, sir, what will be the winner's award? I think he's asking about the bodybuilding competitions. Let me tell you the agreed truth behind the bodybuilding competition victory and prize money. When I won Mr. Tamil Nadu, they gave me 3,000 bucks as prize money for my category. And there are times when I won Mr. Tamil Nadu and got back home just the shield. You see them above, I think so with the light you won't be able to see it nice, but here they are, some of them. So I do it for the sheer passion, brothers. Sir, protein food should be intake before workout or after workout. Both the times. Abhijit says, I'm a gym lover, so am I, brother. So I see the number of viewers going down, so it's high time I close the live session. I'll tune in as soon as I could and I'll try to keep answering all your questions. So Abhijit wants to know, is belly fat does not reduce? I think so. You tuned in only now, brother. I'm going to put a replay of this and there are specific answers for reducing the belly fat as well in it. Hari Krish says, bro, can I know what is the use of creatine? Creatine increases your ATP. ATP is the one that gives energy to your cells. That's one part. And the other one is it works in the process of osmosis where it fills up fluid between your cells, which increases the uptake of nutrition. Okay, Ash, I'm going to answer your question and then I'm going to shut the live down. Abhijit says, thank you, you're welcome. Vicky says, thank you. Ash, are you typing it, brother, or... okay, I think so. It's high time I'll shut it down. Your question will be received in my message and I'll be answering it. Ash wants to know, should I intake ashwagandha for gym? I don't see any specific use of ashwagandha for gym, but for health purpose, it will be useful, brother. Thanks everyone who tuned in for the live session. It was pleasure talking to you all and much love and appreciation to you guys for tuning in. Till the next time, thank you so much and bye-bye. Over and out.